Welcome back to the garage shop. I'll pick a name for it later. If you think of something, tell me in the comments. Tell me I'm stupid. Whatever. Um, okay, so we talked about FJ. Talked about the 4Runner trailer. This wonderful heap of storage right now. um, Tank stores on top. We have an awning as on the back side. We wanted something simple. We wanted something really, really simple for this build. We didn't know what we needed to do. We wanted to build a truck bed first. Just truck bed. It's a 4 foot by 6 foot truck bed. Nothing else. There's a logistics track on either side of it, and we originally were going to put a closed top, but I talked about like, okay, cool. We say we make these hatches, the closed openings, 24 by 24, and all our storage is 25 inches square. Never fits. So we didn't do that. We said, okay, we'll build it as the truck bed. Use it for a year or so, figure out what we want different, make our changes. Our changes was nothing, realistically. We added toolboxes in the front, which you probably can't see because it's behind the chop saw. Toolboxes up front, so real simple storage. So you get to the campsite. You needed a crank to open and close the trailer tent. Open and close the tent. That was added. We wanted, on the other side, we had the same thing. We have tent stakes, some tarps, and stuff like that. In the front here, we had 2-stroke gasoline for a chainsaw, some blocks, and some chocks, just to keep it from quickly deploy it, we could leave. No digging around. The idea was that we found out was great about the trailer, which is different about all the other vehicles at the start, was you can load a vehicle. You can load a vehicle with so much stuff. You can so much stuff that you're like, man, I have everything I want. Way down, over, up, off to the left and the right, you get it. Cool. It's there. Totally useless to you because you never want to use it, you never want to access it. With the trailer, we first with that exact same way. It was packed up to here, all the way across. Oh, there's so much stuff we can bring it. Bring it. Hey, can you give me some more water? Yeah, it's in the front because it's all loaded for weight wise. Yeah, never used it. So we ended up doing, if we have any photos, we'll cue photos. A couple of us at Big Bend. It was a week trip. Took the trailer. We took the trailer also to New Mexico. Week trip. We take the trailer all over the place. Often we take it to off-road parks. Says, quick deploy, go. I'll explain that in a minute. What does that mean for you? We start off going to the parks. Luckily, we went to parks short trips, but we had it overloaded. Never took stuff. We took too much stuff. Some people say, "Oh, you don't take too much stuff." You take too much stuff when you have so much stuff. The stuff gets in the way of the other stuff. Weird one, but it's true. You want it. This is now set up so even the straps are simple. They're tied on both sides. All you do is throw it around, tie it tight, because nothing's more of an annoyance when you have to go down, try to find that hook, hook the hook around a loop, then something balls and then undoes. They're permanently attached. You just throw it over, pull it, done. So at 1, 2, 3, 4 straps, tying everything down. So 4 straps opens, 4 straps close, 4 straps access everything else. And there's nothing more than two of these rigid boxes deep. So we knew, and you stack it in order. So you put your clothes. So if you access off in the far back, boom, middle. Maybe your camp food supplies, far back. Water refills, charcoal. We do very rarely use charcoal, but if we're camping someplace, we want to do some Dutch oven stuff, charcoal. Extra CV axle, extra lower control arms for the FJ and the 4Runner. Well, that's one reason we also picked the 4Runner. Only thing really different between the 4Runner and the FJ was the drive shafts. Same front, rear running gear, same engine, same everything. We've taken parts off one, put in the other. It works. It's simplicity. We got this thing down to a really simple system. This is a table. Don't have to get a table. We'd often bring a big, the 4 or 5 foot white tables, put it on top of everything. Help tie everything down, keep little loose things from popping up, but also under our straps, take it off, set it down, take our stuff. It literally took a little bit longer than it took me to explain it just then, to access everything. That's what we want for our next vehicle. Once I've already packed in the spot it needs to be, you don't have to dig in and get to it. So that's why we're doing what we're going to do. We've been talking back and forward. I'll explain this in a minute. I'll talk about possibly building a lot more stuff for the F-250 because it's going to be a third vehicle. When you have a third vehicle, it can take time. This trailer, it took me about 3 months to build it. Only thing was no two parts were there. I got sticks of metal. The sheet work from our supplier managed to get cut and broke, so like the fender was already shaped. I sold it welded up. The panels were already rough shaped. I had them cut 1/4 inch proud, so I could weld them in, like round them all smooth, and it worked out pretty well. Yeah. This turned out to be a lot better than I thought it was ever going to be, but it has those limits. You're on long trips. Where are you going to park? You want to get fast food. Do they have spots you can pull through? Do they have parts where you can parallel park? Can you park on the road? Sometimes I had to park almost a block away to get just get a burger. It's really short, so I could take it through almost every drive-through, unless it's a super tight turn. It fit. Where do I secure my stuff? If I have straps holding everything down, I can't park this thing in the middle of a city and expect it all to still be there. I'd hope it all still be there. It's not a realistic. It's a very sugar-coated idea of the world. Trails. Honestly, this thing handles great on trails. It follows the vehicles fine. We had the FJ tow, we had the 400 tow, both tow it great. It's on 33-inch tires. The two Toyotas are on 33-inch tires. That means this has better ground clearance than both those. There's no center differential. It's just no center differential. It's a 5-inch pipe going across. It's got better clearance. Simple as that. It turns tight. Everything's great about it. But like I said, there's a couple of considerations. You have to think more about your trips. There's not as much. Let's go. I have to back up. It's a pain. It's a pain to back up on a trail. It's not after you honestly, if you have a trailer full of it, you should go back this thing and park it in almost anywhere. I commonly park it in this spot. I have a single garage door. You see on the side, I don't have a 40-foot driveway to line things up. I have to turn it, pop it in here. I have a couple inches either side to fit it into. On the far wall, I have a compressor, and we have all the paint everyone keeps in the house never throws away for some reason. It's all over there. It's got a slot to fit it into, but it's doable. It's totally doable. If we're starting from scratch, which we decided we're going to do, we can get rid of that. So basically, what we're going to do, we're going to take what we learned from the FJ and the 4Runner, combine those, and put those into the truck. The back of the truck is going to be what we learned from here, and to a lesser part, the other vehicles. We're going to combine all three of these into something that you haven't. Everyone's seen what we're going to do before. We're not reinventing the wheel. The one thing we're going to do is we're going to do a lot of it ourselves. So I'll explain in the next video. Thanks for watching.